Yeah.
Else has
I know,
candy.
that's what I thought. Alright,
They don't
come on
have
in here.
candy.
Yeah, they do. You can go ask.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. I'm right here with you. I'm right here with you. Hold on. Where are we? What do you say to the nice lady?
Hello.
Good tree.
Okay. Oh, I didn't even open yet.
Oh,
That's open.
hold on.
But
You got your wings on. You look beautiful.
cái bọc bọc răng kẹo kia bà nuốt sau rồi không biết. Bà đó tự nhiên như vậy làm bọc riêng.
See it? What do
You
you
want a ring for this?
Oh, ring too. Hey, what do you say?
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Oh, wow.
Look it.
Wow.
Let's go. Let's see who else.
I think they loaded in because those things are so.
Oh wait, no, we have the ones that have decorations up. We can ask. Okay.
That lady had decorations.
Oh, let's go over here. Let's actually over here. What's that?
That lady had
It's a 5
decorations.
o'clock time. I was wondering if they're getting that stuff too.
They probably are.
Let's get it and ask.
Oh, right here. I think they are. Let's see. Let's see. What Princess Fairy? What do you say? Say what you say.
Halloween.
How-
Halloween.
Louder, baby. Trick or treat.
Happy trick or treat.
Oh, she's so cute. Help yourself,
Help
you guys.
yourself.
We've got some candies in there.
Go ahead. You want me to grab some for you? Okay, here you go.
You can get on the little stool and give you one.
Oh, there's a stool here too. There, grab some. Want another ring? All right, put it in there. Okay, good. Is that all you? Here, I'll give you one more. There you go. What do you say?
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. Bye. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Let's go this. I don't know if there's some this way.